The Ghost Bat's impressive leap, a potential game-changer for Australia's defence. In a remarkable turn of events, the Boeing MQ-28 Block 1 Ghost Bats have successfully cleared a critical demonstration hurdle, well ahead of schedule. This achievement has sparked anticipation among defence enthusiasts and industry experts alike, as it paves the way for an important decision by the Australian government. The Ghost Bats, a key component of Australia's military aviation strategy, have undergone a series of rigorous tests and demonstrations. These assessments were designed to evaluate their capabilities and performance, and the early completion of these trials is a testament to the programme's success. But here's where it gets intriguing. The Australian government now faces a pivotal decision. Will they proceed with a follow-on production order, effectively greenlighting the Ghost Bat's integration into their defence arsenal? This decision could have far-reaching implications for Australia's military capabilities and strategic posture. And this is the part most people miss. The Ghost Bat project is not just about advanced technology. It's about the future of Australia's defence and its ability to adapt to evolving threats. The Ghost Bats, with their cutting-edge capabilities, could provide a significant edge in a rapidly changing geopolitical landscape. However, not everyone is convinced. Some critics argue that the focus on advanced technology may divert resources from other critical areas of defence. They question whether the Ghost Bat programme is a wise investment, especially in a time of fiscal constraints. So, what's your take on this? Is the Ghost Bat project a visionary step towards a more secure Australia, or is it a costly diversion of resources? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions and engage in a constructive discussion about Australia's defence future.